Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here's the problem. Let g of x equal 3x minus 4. For what value of x does g of x equal 11? Verify your solution and describe the corresponding point on the graph of g. Now let's work through the solution step by step. We start by replacing g of x with 11. This gives us the equation 3x minus 4 equals 11, which we now solve for x. First, add 4 to both sides to get 3x equals 15. Then divide both sides by 3. The solution is x equals 5. To verify, plug x equals 5 into the function. 3 times 5 is 15, and 15 minus 4 is 11. That matches, so our answer checks out. Here is the graph of g of x equals 3x minus 4. The line crosses the y-axis at -4 and rises steeply with a slope of 3. The point at x equals 5, y equals 11 is our solution, shown as a highlighted point on the line. The answer x equals 5 corresponds to the point 5, 11 on the graph. The x-coordinate 5 is the input and the y-coordinate 11 is the output. This point sits exactly on the line, confirming our solution both algebraically and visually. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.